This Manttus tutorial is a step-by-step process of putting in a Google Gadget. There are other places on the internet where you can get gadgets and gizmos and stuff that are kind of cool that you can embed into your web page, and in this case a Manttus Profile. We're going to jump out to Google here where I brought up their gadgets page. And as you see down here, they've got 323,626 gadgets on here. Some of them are the same, some of them are different. And just you can go through, some of them you can change the color. We're going to pick the calendar here, and I'm going to click on add to your web page, and it lets you go through here and change the color. Let's make the outside red, and I'm going to change this from calendar. You see that they're putting the underline there, and we're going to put in here Dave's. And we'll go down here. Let's see, you can have English. It looks like you can have multiple languages. That's about it. Let's see, we've got the color, and then get code. Like on the YouTube video, it's showing you the coding right here, and you can sit there and highlight it, copy it, and there you snagged your code, and you're going to have this Dave's calendar that you can put into your profile. So let's just jump back to our profile editor, and here again, like I said before, I like putting things in tables because it makes it a little easier. You don't have to do that, but we're going to do a quick table here just because. It looked to be somewhere around the neighborhood of about 300 characters wide, so I'm going to make it 300 characters. I'm going to change my cell spacing to 0 because I just want it to show the calendar, and I want the alignment to be center on my page, and OK. So we're going to go down. Here's my table, and I'm going to take a look at my source code, and as I cruise down here, you'll see that this table, inside of the table body, has just one set of TDs, TD start, TD end. That's because it only has one cell in the table, and my code is going to go in between there. So we're just going to highlight that and up to there, and go control, well, I'm going to right click on this because that's one way you can do, and you can see that I'm pasting it. I'm going to delete out that, which is just a space, and then we're going to go back up here and look at our code on the page, and we just have a line right there. That's all you will probably see. I haven't gone through every single 300,000 gadgets, but depending on how they come back, you can click on that and then go in there and see your source code, and that's where that went in. Here's the TD, and there's the end of the TD, and in between there you can see Dave's calendar and so forth. So let's look at our source code off again. Go down here, save that profile listing, and we'll jump over here, refresh that profile, and cruise down the page, and there's our calendar. And it's inside of a table. You can right-click over here and take a look at page source code, and this is what that generator creates, and this is all the source code. What you put in is just down here in the body, and you can see made a file, link, and here's where your body starts, and the body ends way down here. And the things you put in are what shows up in between. You can see here's the clock that's on the right hand side, and our code is in here as well that you edited. So we'll go ahead and close that. Just a quick glimpse of what the code looks like. So there's your calendar inside, and there's other calendars in there where you can edit it. You can go in here and select a particular date, and today's the 16th that it's showing. This is just a real simple one, but there's some in there where you can go through and even edit too. So anyway, that's how you embed a Google Gadget into your profile page.